And so you can see in this visual, there's really three options. And if you're on the red line right now, you might be thinking, oh my God, but I've been on the red line for 20 years or 10 years or whatever it is. And you might be thinking, wow, that gap is so big. For me to get from the red line to the green line is so long, right? But here's the thing. If you wait another 2 years, you're right, the gap's going to be harder and longer to get back onto the green line. But right now, as you're listening to this episode, you are as close as you will ever be to getting on this green line if you're not on it already. And if you are on the green line, which I suspect a lot of you are, I know a lot of our members listen to this podcast. Hey guys, I see you. You're on the green line, yeah? And you know that by doing all the right things and getting the right help and staying in good proximity is going to help you move faster along the green line to get to where you want to get to. And so I just love this model because I think it's just so powerful. And again, if you just look around in the world, you'll see people who are either living on the red line, living on the orange line, or living on the green line. And my question to you is, what line would you like to choose?